Okay, what we've got here is a quick fix if your kinect is having issues and it keeps turning off. I've found that this fan that I've bought here has basically cured all my kinect issues. So I've just basically got that sitting at the back of the kinect, and it's stopped all of my issues with kinect. Basically I think the fan inside mine's broken, so this fan is obviously doing the broken fan's job, and it's since I've put it in place just like that, my kinect has been working flawlessly for the past week, and it's not disconnecting, turning off and then failing to reconnect. So this is a really good cure for a faulty kinect that keeps turning off, because this is working for me at the moment, and if anyone else finds that useful, go ahead and try it. Thanks for watching.